Hello everyone, welcome to Urhobo Language Made Easy tutorials. In these tutorials, I will teach you the Urhobo language using the English language method. We shall learn the alphabets, the vowels, and the consonants, after which we will form words and sentences. We shall also learn Urhobo numerals. We shall do addition and subtraction and time telling in Urhobo language. As we progress, I will teach you the basic Urhobo words that are commonly used. This will enable you to gradually understand and to speak. There are aspects of the Urhobo language that are gradually going into extinction. I intend to bring out these aspects as best as I can. These are the rhymes, folk tales, play songs, tongue twisters, proverbs, riddles, and wise sayings. Get ready, it is going to be fun-filled and exciting. I'll be using the Ughelli dialect and intonation, but I will also pay attention to the Agbon aspect when there are differences in pronunciation. Finally, registration for online classes are going on. You can send a WhatsApp message to the number on the screen to register. My name is Justina Runwesiere, your Urhobo instructor. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.